Good morning. Today we're going to review our two-step equation. So I'm going to write it up here. Two-step equations. And the equation that we're going to be working with today will be 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. So our variable in this equation is x variable. Our coefficient is 3. Cross my T. And our constants are 2 and 8. So in this two-step equation, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the value of 1x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my railroad tracks to separate the left side from the right side. And I know that I am adding 2 to my variable. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Inverse operation is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 2 from the left side so that I can isolate the variable by itself. But what I do to the left side, I have to do to the right side. So therefore, I have to subtract 2 from the right side. Now I'm going to do my computation, which is 8 minus 2 gives me 6. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then I'm going to bring out 3x because I'm not subtracting it or adding anything to it. Now I'm left with 3x plus 0 is equal to 6. Well, 0 is not adding any value to the equation, so I can basically leave it out. So now I have 3x is 6. Well, I know that it is 3 times x, so I'm multiplying. But the inverse of multiplication is division. So then the next step is going to be division. And since I want to end up with 1x, I'm going to divide it by the coefficient 3 so that I am left with 1x. But remember that what I do to the left side, I have to also do it to the right side. So therefore, 3 divided by 3 gives me 1x. Bring down my equal sign. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now my answer is x is equal to 2. I can always go back and check my answer by substituting the value that I came up with back into the original equation. So my original equation was 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. Now remember, I'm going to substitute the value for x, but I'm going to do that in blue. So then I'm going to put 3 times 2, which is the value we got for x, plus 2 is equal to 8. Well, according to PEMDAS, we always, parentheses, we don't have parentheses, so we're going to multiply. 3 times 2 gives us 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 6 plus 2 is 8 equal to 8, and our answer checks out.